Good morning. Final day of the hunt. December 23rd. Look who we got. Good morning, Eric.
How we doing?
Good. Doing a little intro to the video.
Oh, good morning, everyone.
Yeah. Final day of the hunt. So it's about 12 degrees out right now. So yeah, heading to the lake property. Hopefully it's not frozen over, but should be a good day. We're gonna be with Erich, Eddie, and John. So wish us luck. Yeah. Come on, flip. I hope. There we go. That's good enough for me. Yeah, we just need them suck them in a little bit.
Right here.
Birds. Ah, shit.
Oh. Dang.
Yeah, mergs. Okay. Nice.
So I've
Yeah.
never shot. I've never
Single
shot
bird
it.
coming in.
Oh yeah.
Look at this guy. Woo!
That's a drake.
That is a nice drake. All right, I'll go get him. He's stone dead. He does have his head up. All right, well, I'll go get him.
That was great. I started to walk back to stretch my legs.
I felt pretty good about my second shot.
Oh, you're good. Yeah,
This might be the first bird that I killed. We'll watch the footage though. He did it right. Is he still up or? All right, let me, I can put one on him. Is he? I mean, he's not moving fast. I'll catch up to him pretty quick. Just gotta get my gloves on. He's not diving though, so that's good.